Ever wonder where you really come from? Not your hometown. I mean your cosmic origin story.
To do that, we gotta go way back, 13.8 billion years ago, right to the beginning of time.
Now try to imagine the entire universe squished into a dot smaller than a grain of sand.
Yep, every future star, every planet, and every single atom that makes you up was right there.
And then, in an instant, this rapid expansion of space-time happened. We call it the Big Bang.
But here's the key thing. This wasn't an explosion in space, it was the explosion of space.
And things happened unbelievably fast. The first second alone was just a total frenzy of creation.
The early universe was just this crazy, super hot soup of fundamental particles and pure energy.
It was way, way too hot for atoms to even exist yet. Just not possible.
For the next great chapter, the cosmos needed to wait a bit. 380,000 years, to be exact.
Yep, that's how long the universe took to just expand and cool down, kind of just chilling out.
And this cooling caused a huge shift, taking the cosmos from a dense fog to totally clear.
And with that, the very first atoms could finally form, just simple hydrogen and helium.
This new transparency allowed one of the universe's most fundamental forces to finally take over.
And that force, it was gravity. It immediately started pulling those simple atoms together.
Gravity's pull created so much pressure in these clouds, and then, boom, the first stars lit up.
Now these weren't just lights, they were giant cosmic forges, cooking up all the heavier elements.
But these massive, first-generation stars burned bright and, well, they met some truly violent ends.
And when they exploded, they scattered all those heavier elements, the ingredients for life, across space.
So what happened to all this cosmic dust? Where did all these essential new ingredients end up?
It became the raw material for new stars, new galaxies, and, you guessed it, new planets.
And here's the amazing part. That stardust eventually formed the carbon and oxygen right inside you.
I mean, let that sink in. You are literally made of 13.8 billion-year-old stardust.
So when you look at the night sky, just remember, the history of the universe is inside you.
So if we're made of stars, you gotta ask yourself, what are we gonna create next?